In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this soap bubble very easy only by texturing a sphere. Please hit the like button before the tutorial start. In Object Mode, add an UV sphere. In Modifiers menu, add a subdivision modifier. Then press right-click on Sphere and Shade Smooth. Go in Materials menu and add a new material. Scroll down and change the Blend mode to Alpha Blend. And Shade mode to None. Open the Shading tab. Select the principal material and delete it. Add a mix shader. And connect it to surface. Then, add a layer weight. Add a color ramp. Connect facing to factor. And color to factor here. Then add a transparent material here. And connect it to shader. Add a glossy material. And connect it to shader. Add a noise texture. Then add a texture coordinate. And connect object to vector here. Add a hue and saturation node here. Then connect color to color. And color to color again. Decrease detail value here to 0. And increase the saturation and value to 2. Decrease the roughness here. And decrease the scale here until you get it like this. This is the final result. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel. To more tutorials and time lapses. Thanks.